core ideas that start explaining really how the universe is structured. Sure, these ideas can be applied to things like economics and finance and physics and chemistry, but at their core, they're the same idea, and so they're even more fundamental, more pure than any one of those applications. And to see what I mean by getting down to the root idea, let's go with we started with the very grand, the philosophy of the universe is written in mathematics, but let's start with a very concrete, simple idea, but we'll keep abstracting and we'll see how the same idea connects across many domains in our universe. So let's just say we're at a store and we're going to buy something, and there's a sale. The sale says that it is 30% off. 30% off, and I'm interested. I don't shop at my too fancy stores, so let's say I'm interested in a pair of pants, and the pair of pants before the sale even is about $20, and that is about how much I spend on my pants. So I'm interested in a $20 pair of pants, but it's even better. There's a 30% off sale on these pants. Well, how would I think about how much I'm going to get off of that $20? And this isn't algebra yet. This is something that you've probably had exposure to. You would multiply the 30% times the $20. So you would say your discount is equal to, you could write it as 30% times $20. I'll do the $20 in purple. Or you could write it, if you wanted to write this as a decimal, you could write this as 0.30 times $20, and if you were to do the math, you would get $6. So nothing new over there. But what if I want to generalize it a little bit? That's the discount on this particular pair of pants. But what if I wanted to know the discount on anything in the store? Well, then I could say, well, let X be the price. Let me do this in a different color. So I'm just going to make a symbol. Let X be the price of the product I want to buy. Price, the non-discount price. Non-discount price of the product in the store. So now all of a sudden we can say that our discount is equal to 30% times X. 30% times X. Or if we wanted to write it as a decimal, we could write, if we wanted to write 30% as a decimal, we could write 0.30 times X. Now this is interesting. Now you give me the price of any product in the store, and I can substitute it in for X, and then I can essentially multiply 0.3 times that, and I would get the discount. So now we're starting to, very slowly, we're starting to get into the abstraction of algebra, and we'll see that these will get much more nuanced and deep, and frankly, more beautiful as we start studying more and more kind of algebraic ideas. But we aren't done here. We can abstract this even more. Over here, we've generalized this for any product. We're not just saying for this $20 product. If there's a $10 product, we can put that $10 product in here for X, and then we would say 0.30 times 10, and the discount would be $3. It might be a $100 project, then the discount would be $30. But let's generalize even more. Let's say, well, what is the discount for any given sale when the sale is a certain percentage? So now we can say that the discount, let me define a variable. So let's let M equal, or I'll say P just so it makes sense. P is equal to the percentage off. Percentage off. Now what can we do? Well, now we can say that the discount